Made from scratch tutorials, DJ Andy. Welcome everybody. In this episode I'm showing you a variation of one of the very first combos that I showed you, a mix of baby scratches, 2-click flares and crabs. This is the combo that I will explain today. Basically, it's a variation of a combo that I showed in one of the very first episodes. It's divided in two parts and we start with the baby scratch and a 2-click flare. Forward and back, that's it. Once again, baby scratch and 2-click flare. Let's do it a few times in a row. Okay, let's add some speed now. The second part is pretty similar, but instead of the 2-click flare, we're gonna do a crab. That's it. So baby scratch and a crab. A bit faster. And in full speed. And now to have the full combo, we're gonna switch from 2-click flares to crabs. Check it out. That's it. Now let's try it out on the beats. Check it out.